Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to merge accounts in Fortnite. So you need to go to your web browser and go to epicgames.com, log in your Fortnite account, and after that you go to support here. So I already did the messaging on the Epic support, so that's why you see the messages here. So the first message you're gonna send is merge Fortnite accounts. Then the AI will send these messages here. Then you need to send another message. Just copy this one here. So you're gonna have to edit this one with your previous platform like a PS5, PC, or Xbox. For me, it's an Xbox to your another platform which you're gonna be using. So I'm now gonna be using PC. So that's why I use PC here. And after that, they will give you an instructions on what to do here. So if this won't work, you need to go send another message. Can I speak with a real support agent? Then this message will come, and then you're gonna have to select yes. And after that, you hit submit email ticket. So now this will be sent to your email that's been linked to your Fortnite account. So you need to check that one. And the personal team or IT team will help you with your merging accounts, and that's gonna take like 24 to 48 business hours, Monday to Friday, and that's it. Hopefully that fixes your problem.